Hi there, today we're going to be doing a short tutorial on how to use your KM1001 Micro Syringe pump. In order for the machine to function accurately, the syringes must first be calibrated accurately beforehand. If the parameters are incorrect, it will result in inaccurate injection rates. If you have not done this yet, please see our previous video tutorial on how to calibrate the syringes. Cool, so let's begin. Start by turning on the machine. Welcome will be displayed on the screen. Press enter and use the up or down arrows to select the syringe that you'll be using. In this video, I am using a 5 ml syringe which I've already calibrated in the previous video. To select it, press enter. Press the up or down arrows to set the injection rate. Install the desired syringe on top of the syringe pump and secure it with the rubber band. This can be done earlier or later in the process. Once the chosen fluid is in the syringe and it is connected to the IV line, install the syringe on top of the micro syringe pump. Do this by pulling back the blue piston by pressing on both sides of the piston to unlock it. Slide the blue piston into the correct position so that the syringe plunger can be fitted against it. Ensure that the syringe's barrel flanges are placed in the small gap on the left side of the syringe pump. Secure the syringe using the rubber band. Bolus settings can also be adjusted before the injection is started, as well as during the injection function. Press run to start the injection. In order to avoid accidents during operation, the syringe pump will be locked after 30 seconds during the normal injection function. In the left corner of the screen, it will show a lock icon. Press and hold the down button to unlock the machine. During normal injection, press the run or stop button to pause or resume the injection. If you need to administer a bolus during the injection, press and hold the bolus button for 3 seconds. The bolus setting interface will be initiated. Press up or down to set the bolus volume, then press run to start the bolus. The bolus rate is automatically set to the fastest rate and cannot be changed while the injection is running. If you would like to return to the normal injection function during bolus function, press the stop button. In order to ensure the safety of injections, the on-off button cannot be pressed to power off the machine immediately during the injection process. It is necessary to pause or exit the injection process before turning off the machine. If there is an occlusion, the alarm will go off during the injection. If this occurs, please check the tube and remove any occlusion and then press any key except the power button to continue the injection. Once the injection is completed, the alarm will go off, at which point you would need to press any key except the power button to exit the injection function. Just to mention a few other things to remember, if the pump is turned on with low battery, it will display low power with an alarm and the machine will turn off automatically. Just to mention again, remember to calibrate the syringes beforehand and ensure that the syringe settings that you select correspond to the syringe that you are using. Thanks for viewing this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.